Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your device. Of course, the best decision would be to take your time and try to remember the password that you used the last time when you successfully entered your device. But in case you really cannot remember it, then the best solution would be to first try to reach out to Google customer support service, because if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will be able to let you regain access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from your device. But if this option is unavailable for you too, you can still perform a factory reset operation in order to regain access to your phone, and this operation will result in removing all data from your device and setting it up as a new smartphone, but it will surely let you regain access to your smartphone. And there are two ways that you can do this, both locally and remotely. Now I will start with the remote factory reset, explaining. So in order to remotely factory reset your smartphone, you have to use any other device that you that has an internet access on it. Enter the web browser on this device. Then what you have to do is enter the Find Hub service or Find Hub's website by Google. Then sign in to your Google account that is linked with this smartphone of yours. Go to the devices list on the website. Find your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL on this list. Select it and select Factory Reset Operation in order to perform it. Once the factory reset operation is finished, you'll be able to set up your smartphone once again. And if you don't have access to this menu, then you can still perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone, but to do this, you're gonna have to enter the recovery mode. And if you are not sure how to enter or how to manage the recovery mode on this smartphone, we have an entire video called How to Perform Factory Reset Operation Through Recovery on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So if you need that video to help you out, then go ahead and check it out. And now I'm gonna show you one more way to regain access to your device, which will only way in case you do remember the password that you used the last time when you successfully accessed your device. It's just that your phone doesn't accept this password on this screen. This might be caused by some third-party applications that affect that your lock screen behaves. Maybe they make your phone more laggy, and that is why your phone simply doesn't accept your password. In such case, we can enter the safe mode and enter the password from there. To do this, you have to press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, then hold down your finger on the power off option, and once you see this message on your screen, tap OK and just wait until your device is restarted. Once you are in a safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen, and here just try to enter your password once again and try to enter your phone. And just in case you succeed, the next thing you should do is enter your settings, then enter the security and privacy menu, enter the device unlock menu, select screen lock, then enter your password once again and select none to remove your current screen lock. Then just hold down the power button and the volume up key once again, select restart and wait until your device is rebooted. After that, you'll be able to use it as regular. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.